Hi, I'm Chris Venza, VP of Product and Marketing for VersiTech. I've always had a fascination with technology. I spent 10 years within the restaurant industry, waiting tables and cooking in kitchens. And so coming out of college, it felt right to remain in technology and within the restaurant industry. And that's what really drew me to the point of sale. It just seemed like a perfect fit. It started back in 2002, where I was installing and training and supporting on a point of sale software out of Atlanta. And when I left that company in 2007, I reunited with Gary Liu back in 2010. And we really just focused on merchant processing for restaurants within the Atlanta market. Over time, we found our niche to be more payments integrated specialists for ISVs and VARs, meaning we're helping software vendors and resellers basically bake our merchant processing within their software. That kind of led me down a path of being less on the support side of POS and more on the promotions and marketing side for merchant processing and eventually point of sale. When Bold and Tonic merged in 2023, we wanted to continue the success we had on the marketing side, but we also had a void to fill on the product side. So my goal at that time was to really build a team of people much smarter than me in that field. And I'm happy to say that we were able to accomplish that, specifically with some of the advancements that we've been able to make within the past year. For those unfamiliar with what I do, I would say on the marketing side, it's to keep the voice and brand in line with Bold and Tonic's vision. I would say on the product side, it's to really direct the short and long-term goals of the software in regards to where we want to be in the future and what type of enhancements we want to include in software. One of my favorite things about the culture is really seeing what we've been able to accomplish over this past year. It just, everybody has one vision and one goal, and we all support each other along the way. Another great thing is just really it's the fun that we've had along the way. It's undescribable. Many point of sale softwares are either very bare bones or specific to a niche, or they're just full of complicated features that just get lost in a point of sale setting. We want to be a blend of a very versatile point of sale software, but also not become a bloated feature factory. Our products team has done a phenomenal job giving a voice to not only our internal team members, but our partners as well. As enhancement requests come in, we put it through a rating system known as RICE, where we measure the reach, the impact, the confidence, and the effort that it takes for each enhancement request to be implemented. And this gives us the data that we need to understand the direction of the product and to really know what is worth implementing. Partner feedback is critical for our product development. They're the feet on the street and when it comes to merchant needs, and they're a valuable resource for us when understanding the shifts within the industry. Since 2023, Tonic has really made a splash at some of the trade shows and events that we've attended. We've actually been described by some as being disruptors within the industry. Our marketing team has done an amazing job just differentiating ourselves as being vibrant and fun. And I'm proud to say that our brand really does stand out among others and is really recognizable when walking through any sort of trade show or event. So it's been really awesome to see. Fostering creativity and innovation really starts with the hiring process, and I try to just let good people make good decisions. Going from a one-person marketing team to a team of 6 now has really taught me how to delegate and trust the creativity of my team. This idea within our marketing team is that really no idea is too big or too small. So that's really helped a lot. Coffee or tea? I'm going black coffee. If I'm feeling adventurous, vanilla latte. I'm going with spicy margarita, and I just discovered the tahini rim, so that's my go-to. I'm going with The Way I Heard It with Mike Rowe as a podcast. Without fail, Black Crows, she talks to angels. It's really about being life coaches for Sophia and Gabby. They really need direction and hand-holding. There's a lot of babysitting involved, but at the end of the day, when they listen to me, things go great.